Mysteries of Nature, Part 3. Sometimes the answers are hidden. So, the next mystery is communication in nature. All living organisms coexist in nature. For this, we have to communicate with one another. So, nature has found so many mysterious ways for us and all other organisms to communicate. Let's look at a few of them. Some animals use bioluminescence to communicate. Fireflies flash their lights at certain intervals, sending signals to others. Bats communicate through screeches of very high frequency that humans cannot hear. So, if you see two bats just hanging out, not making any sound, they may actually be talking to each other. Elephants sometimes communicate using their feet. They stomp on the ground so hard to create vibrations, which are a way to signal the other elephants. Mountain lions and leopards sometimes communicate through smell. Each has a unique smell of its own. They rub their necks on a rock or dig a pit and urinate, signaling to the other animals that they had been there. So these were all the mysteries of nature regarding communication in nature. So we have some more. Under the water, communicating gets interesting. So under the water, communication gets interesting. Whales and dolphins use clicks and whistles that can be heard over miles. There is one particular species of squid that glows bright in the dark oceans, calling out other squids nearby. Thank you so much. So these are all the mysteries of nature, and this is about communication in nature, which we really do not know. Thank you so much, everyone.